Hello there, busy mommies and bachelors. When you do not have enough time to cook a meal, proper meal like rice, vegetables, and dal. So, this is for you. So, today I am going to make one pot meal which will be made just in 10 minutes, and you can enjoy it just as it is or with little bit of curd. So in a pot I have taken little bit of oil, and there I put little bit of masalas, just little peppercorn, bay leaf, cardamom, and cinnamon. And then I put there some chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, fry little bit, and I put there salt, turmeric, and chili powder. Fry little bit and add little bit of water and cook for 2 minutes. Now you can add the vegetables of your choice. So I have added some vegetables. As it is winter month, I have lot of vegetables at home, so I have added green peas, carrot, some dried mushroom, and beans. And then I add here 2 cups of rice. So these are rice. I have washed it nicely and soaked it for 20 minutes, and I have added. So here I have added 2 cup of rice and 3 cups of water. And then you mix it properly. And just to balance the taste, I squeeze half a lemon and then few cashew nuts. So this is optional, totally up to you. You may add cashew nuts or not, and also you can add other dry fruits as well if you have. So in a medium flame I'll just let it cook for just 1 whistle, because otherwise the rice will be overcooked. And also after switch off the gas, I'm going to release few air, like some of the air from the pressure cooker, otherwise the rice will be overcooked. And please do not touch the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes it will be perfectly done. So here it is ready.